Hey guys, it's me Cameron, and today I'll be doing a cleaning face routine. I do this every night, and in the morning I just put like cream on my face before I put makeup on, and let's just go. So hey guys, first of all I'm just washing my face just to refresh my face. Then I'll be taking the makeup wipes and I'll be taking all my makeup off. Taking it all off. Then I'll wash my face again. And I'll be using the Garnier Aloe Vera wash face. I'll be pumping that all, 2 pumps. I'll be applying that to my face. It feels really weird when you apply it on. And then you massage it in. Once you've done that, you wash your face. Wash, 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 wash. Then I'll be adding the Natio Gentle Skin Toner. This stuff is really good. And I'll be applying that on a dry wipe and just applying that all over my face. Then I'll be adding the Anstell Moisturiser Clean and Clear with this Kmart, I don't know what you call it. And I'm just applying that on my face with my my cream brush, and then I'll be blending it all in. Why am I saying blending? It's not a makeup tutorial. Then I'll be adding the Natio Gentle Foaming Facial Cleanser with my brush. Whatever it's called, don't know. And then I'll be blending that out. Why am I saying blending? It's not makeup. God. So that's done. Then I'll be adding the good part, my face mask. This is so good. It's actually my second time trying, and I can't get it open. That's the annoying thing. So I finally got it open after all those minutes, and now I'm just going to take it out of the package and I'm going to apply it on my face. Now I look like a robot. I look so weird with it on. And then you leave it on for 15 minutes and then you take it off. And then you just like rub your face and massage it a bit because it's really nice after. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below any other ideas. And that is all